Hey yo! Welcome! Today, we're talking about something we all go through. Pero minsan, we forget to talk about nutrition through different stages of life. Our bodies, they are constantly changing. What we need as a kid is totally different from what we need as teens, adults, or even when we are older. And if our body are changing, our nutrition should change too, right? In this video, I'll walk you through each life stage, what the body needs, why it matters, and how we can make smart food choices that actually support us at every age. Simple, practical, and based on real science, but explained in a way that's easy to understand. So let's get started. First stage is pregnancy. Nutrition starts even before birth. During pregnancy, the mother's body is working double time to support a growing baby. That is why pregnant women often experience morning sickness, unusual cravings, and fatigue. But with proper nutrition, these challenges can be managed and the baby's development can be supported. So here are essentials nutrients during pregnancy. Folic acid. This helps prevent serious birth defect in the baby's brain and spine. It's naturally found in malunggay, pechay, and mongo. Iron. Pregnant women need more iron to produce extra blood for the baby. It also helps avoid anemia, which causes weakness. Iron found in liver and red meat. Calcium, essential for building strong bones and teeth for both mom and baby. Sources include milk. Protein, important for the baby's muscle and tissue development. Great sources are eggs, chicken, and beans. A healthy pregnancy starts with healthy eating. Remember, when the mother eats well, the baby grows well. Next stage is lactation. After pregnancy comes lactation, the stage where a mother produces milk to nourish her newborn. Breastfeeding burns a lot of calories. That is why moms often feel extra hungry and thirsty. Eating well not only gives the mother energy, it also helps produce more breast milk. So here are important nutrients needed during lactation. Water. Staying hydrated is a must. Breastfeeding moms should aim for 8 to 10 glasses of water a day to maintain milk production. Protein. Need to repair the body after giving birth and to maintain strength. Good sources include fish, chicken, and egg. Calcium supports both mom's and baby's bone. This is found in taho, dilis, and malunggay. Vitamin B complex. These vitamins help in energy production and milk formation. Sources include brown rice, banana, and kamote. Healthy fats, like those found in avocados, nuts, and coconut milk, help to improve the quality of breast milk. Remember, a nourished nanay makes a nourished baby. Now, we move to infancy stage, from birth up to 1 year old. During the first 6 months, babies should be fed with breast milk only, which is considered the perfect food for newborns. If breastfeeding is not possible, infant formula can be used, as advised by a pediatrician. By 6 months, babies are ready to explore soft food while still continuing with breast milk. This is when we start complementary feeding. So here are key nutrients babies need at this age. Iron prevents anemia and helps carry oxygen in the blood. Sources are eggs and lean meat. Vitamin D keeps bones strong and supports immunity. Babies get this from early morning sunlight and fortified food. Healthy fats, essential for rapid brain development, found in avocados, egg yolks, and even breast milk itself. Feeding during infancy sets the foundation of a child's growth and development. Let's start them off right.
Okay, so we are now at the fourth stage of life, the preschool or the preschooler. Kids, we all know kids are full of energy. They love to run, jump, and they need the food, nutritious food to keep them going. But but there is a challenges that in that age that they pick a not healthy food instead of healthy foods. That's why it is important that we guide them to eat some healthy foods. So this is the we have the essential nutrients that can help them to boost their confidence and to be healthy. The protein, iron, and vitamin C. So in that they are willing to eat healthy food to boost their immune system and malayo sa mga sakit that and to have a good health. And now we are here at the fifth stage of life, the child. So as kids grow older and start school, they become super active mentally and physically. They love to run, studying, playing, that they need the food will at all of that. And there's a thing that it also time when school is stress and junk food, and they love eating junk foods like they know that they are important in life. That's why it is important them to give nutrients day by day. So first nutrient is carbohydrates. That these give children energy to stay active in school that they found in rice, corn, and the second nutrient is protein. Still essential for growth, especially for their developing muscles. That they found it in eating chicken, beans, and fish. That the third nutrients they should intake is fiber that help them with digestions and keep their tummy healthy. Then you can get this from fruits, vegetables, and whole grains like brown rice and oats. That a healthy child is not just a healthy but also ready to learn and play and grow. Okay, we are here now at the last stages of life, the elderly. So as we reach elderly stage, our body is going slow down. But older adults may eat less food and their bodies actually need more nutrients to stay strong and healthy. The common concern of those adults is they have weak bones, poor digestion, and blood pressure. To support their health, elders should focus these important nutrients. Then we have protein, prevent the muscle loss, and to build body strong. And then they should take calcium, vitamin D. This strengthen their bones, prevent osteoporosis. And then fiber, help their digestions, prevent constipation. And healthy diet in old stage means better mobility, clear thinking, and more time enjoying their loved ones. So, and now we are done tackling about the stages in life. The first stage, pregnancy, lactation, infancy, preschooler, child, and elderly. Those what are we talking about is what we discussed kanina is those are the importance why we should take nutrients in our body especially in elderly, to prevent them to makuba, like mga madaling masakit. So ang mga elderly, sila man yun ang dali masakit. So habang kita mga bata pa, dapat napatay yung mga bata, natay mga anak, ako dapat is ginatagan yun ito na sakto nga nutrients na gina-intake nila kay para malikayan nila ang madali masakit.